Hello and welcome to section 4.5, which concerns applications of proportions. If you're tuning in, we just did proportions section 4.4, which is really cool. So now we're going to use them in word problems to recall what a proportion is. So we have two ratios, okay, that are equivalent, right? We call this a proportion. And the property is that you can cross multiply, okay, and that also holds true, okay. So now we have here, a woman drives her car 270 miles in 6 hours. If she continues at the same rate, so that means that the ratios are equal, she goes 270 miles in 6 hours. If she continues at the same rate, how far will she travel? We don't know, right? So we let that be x in 10 hours. Okay, so we're setting up the proportion. Okay, so we keep the units the same. Miles is to miles, hours is to hours. Okay, and when it says here, whatever the question asks for, so x represents how far she travels in 10 hours. And the unit for x will be miles. Okay, so that's it. So then we just basically use means extremes. We cross multiply. So 270 times 10. We don't need to continue with the units right now. So this is going to be 6x. Okay, 270 times 10 is 2,700. And we have x times 6, which we write as 6x. Now we divide both sides by 6, and let's go ahead and do that. So what is that? 2,700 divided by 6 goes in evenly 450 times. 450 is equal to x. Now x was in terms of miles, so this is 450 miles. So you'd say she will travel 450 miles in 10 hours. So that's our solution. Okay? Okie dokie, let's do another one. A baseball player gets 8 hits in the first 18 games of the season. If he continues at the same rate, how many hits will he get in 45 games? So 8 hits for 18 games. Okay, so then we need to know, the question says how many hits. So x equals number of hits in 45 games. So 45 games, x hits. Okay, so then we just cross multiply again. We get 8 times 45, which is 360, is equal to 18 times x, okay? So then we divide both sides by 18, okay? And we just get x is equal to 20. So 20, remember what the unit was, hits, okay? So then you can say he will get 20 hits in 45 games. All right, let's have another one. A solution contains 4 milliliters of alcohol and 20 milliliters of water. If another solution is to have the same ratio of milliliters of alcohol to milliliters of water and must contain 25 milliliters of water, how much alcohol should it contain? So first of all, they're giving us 4 milliliters alcohol, that's how you spell it, to 20 mils of water, and we have the same ratio, alcohol to water, and they have to have 25 mils of water. How many mils of alcohol should it contain? Okay, so that's what that means. Okay, so we set it up, we set, the corresponding ratio, okay, and we make sure we're answering the question. The question says how much alcohol, so X represents amount of alcohol, milliliters of alcohol, okay? So we go ahead and we cross multiply, we get 4 times 25, which is 100, 20 times X is 20X today. Then solving for X, we simply divide both sides by 20, okay? We get 5, X is equal to 5 what? Mils alcohol, milliliters of alcohol, okay? And that is that, my friends. Okay, so your super fun homework is 4.5, 1 through 19 odd, and the secret word for this is chess. This is the secret word. The secret word is chess. I don't know why, just because. Okay, so that's that, and I will see you guys on the next video.